Alright, so I have a solid state drive that is an NVMe SSD, PCIe 3. That's 512 gigabytes, so half a terabyte, and I've been looking to pick up one of these for a while, just because they are super fast, and so they can really get how your computer runs. So let's open this bad boy up. So there it is. Super small, which is crazy impressive. I remember drives back in the day, it used to be a lot, less memory for your buck. So it comes with some hardware components to install a computer and instructions. So looking forward to getting this installed and seeing how everything goes. I'll post more videos soon.